Hello dear students, let us discuss question number 2 of brain teaser. 64 raised to the power minus 1 by 6 into 216 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 into 81 raised to the power 1 by 4 divided by 512 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 into 16 raised to the power 1 by 4 into 9 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. We have to simplify this expression. Okay, so this is equal to, now how you can express 64 in terms of powers? Yes, it is 2 raised to the power 6. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 6 raised to the power minus 1 by 6 into. Now think about 216. Yes, it is 6 cube. So interestingly, you will notice here that here we are getting 2 raised to the power 6 and here power is minus 1 by 6. So that will give you a little clue, like you have to think of a number whose power raised by that particular number which is here is this result. Like 64 is which number raised to the power 6? From where we have thought this? Here it is 6. So when you get certain questions on simplification, so these tricks help us. So 216 is 6 cube. So here it is raised to the power minus 1 by 3 into, now can you tell me, here we have to think of a number raised to the power 4. Yes, that gives us 81. Yes, it is 3 raised to the power 4. It normally works. It is just a technique of solving such questions. So 512, we remember this is 8 cube and 16 is 2 raised to the power 4 and 9 is 3 square. Now for each of the terms, what we are going to do is we will be using the law of exponent. A raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 6 into minus 1 by 6 into 6 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4 divided by 8 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4 into 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. And now we are going to simplify this. We see here that 6 gets cancelled with 6. So we are left with 2 raised to the power minus 1. Here 3 gets cancelled. So this is 6 raised to the power minus 1. 4 gets cancelled. So we are left with 3. And in the denominator, if you see, here we get 8 raised to the power minus 1. Then into 2. Then into 3 raised to the power minus 1. Now notice here that we can write 6 raised to the power minus 1 as 3 into 2 raised to the power minus 1. Why we are doing this? Because we will be now writing or try to write all the given terms in terms of 3's and 2's so that we can combine and we get the final answer. So now you see here 8. 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. And here it is power minus 1 into 2 into 3 raised to the power minus 1. So here you can write that am raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power n into m raised to the power n. We will be using it here for solving this. And earlier also I have written the one law, a raised to the power m raised to the power n is a raised to the power mn. So we get this as 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 3. This 3 is to be multiplied by minus 1 into 2 into 3 raised to the power minus 1. Now you tell me, you will be applying the law here. So we will be collecting the terms. So in the numerator, if you see bases same, powers are added. So 2 raised to the power minus 1, minus 1. And from the denominator, we use the law a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m minus n. So for collecting terms involving 2's and powers of 2's, so in the denominator it is minus 3. So when it comes to the numerator, it becomes minus of minus 3. And then here also it is 2 raised to the power 1. So we say minus 1. Multiply by, now collect the powers of 3 from the numerator first. Minus 1 plus 1, this is 1. And if you take this minus 1 in the numerator to the denominator, from the denominator to the numerator, so this becomes minus of minus 1. So this is equal to, now simplify this, 2 raised to the power minus 1, that is minus 2. Here it is plus 3 and here it is minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 gives us minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 gives us 0. And let us see what comes here. 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1. It goes off. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So final answer is 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. So final answer of this question is 3. So please practice these kinds of questions because it is involving calculations, and you need to do the calculations with a lot of concentration, right? Have a nice day. Bye bye.